and projects through your Apple CarPlay. So here's the BINIZE system itself. It runs Android, so you can run a bunch of different apps. It has wireless CarPlay as well. So if I went to AutoKit, which is the app they use, and I go to my iPhone, it's gonna connect, and then I'm going to have the normal CarPlay here, and it's all wireless. So the Bluetooth quality is pretty good. I don't have any complaints. It works just like normal CarPlay. We'll see it here in a second. There it is. So there is the normal CarPlay, but now we have this extra button that if you push it, it gives you a full menu. So say we wanna go back, this works just like an Android tablet. So pretty much you have an Android tablet in your vehicle. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that stuff. You have a bunch of apps. You can install apps. You can now watch YouTube, Netflix. And this is my favorite part about it. Say I want to watch Netflix, or the passenger wants to watch Netflix on a long drive, or I'm sitting somewhere waiting for something and I don't want to be limited to my smaller phone screen. And say I want to be able to, you know, maybe look at pictures or watch YouTube or watch Netflix or even browse the web. Now I am not limited. I can do it right on my built-in screen, and the bigger screen you have, the better. Now this comes with like a 7 or 8 inch screen on the Tacoma, so it's not huge, but it's still very nice to have. So this BINIZE box plugs in, gives you wireless CarPlay, and now you also have more apps. So this is so cool. In the settings, you can turn on Wi-Fi, connect to it, you can tether, you connect to Wi-Fi to be able to do CarPlay. But what I found is I put the hotspot on of my mobile device to my iPhone and I connect to that network. Then I'm able to use the internet apps like Netflix. And I'll show you how that works now. So I'm gonna go personal hotspot. So now we're gonna go to, this hotspot is on as well. So we're gonna go to Wi-Fi. We're gonna turn the Wi-Fi on. Martin's iPhone 13 should pop up here. All right, and we're connected. Now when we go to apps like Netflix, sorry for the glare, it's extremely sunny here. You can see that there is Netflix on the screen. So say I wanna watch, I don't know, let's watch Better Call Saul here for a second. You can see how fast it actually loads. And over here is our menu, so it's good to go.
Scrubbing the floors of rich people. She needs a cane to walk, you know? She's got arthritis, and still she works every day. What, for herself? No.
As you can see, it's very responsive. It's like having an Android tablet. If you're convinced already and you want to grab one, there is a link in the description below. I'm just having fun with this, making this quick video review. Let's jump over to YouTube. We'll hit back, or we could hit home.